In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change fonts in MailerLite so you can make your email campaigns look exactly the way you want. MailerLite is one of the most popular and user-friendly email marketing platforms out there, and being able to control your typography is essential for reinforcing your brand identity and making sure your content is easy to read on any device. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your MailerLite account. Open up your browser of choice and head over to the MailerLite website. Click on the login button that you'll see in the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and your password into the fields provided, and then click the login button again to access your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your MailerLite dashboard, which is your main control center where you can see an overview of your subscribers, campaigns, and automation workflows. It's a good idea to bookmark this page so you can jump back in quickly whenever you need to make edits. Now that you're on your dashboard, turn your attention to the left side navigation menu. This menu is your primary tool for moving around MailerLite, and you'll see a range of options like subscribers, forms, and automations. The one you want is campaigns, so go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a list of all the email campaigns you've created, both sent and draft. You'll see each campaign listed with its status, subject line, and when it was last edited. Find the specific campaign that contains the text you want to update. Once you've located it, click on the Continue Editing button. This is the easiest way to pick up right where you left off without having to rebuild anything from scratch. After you click Continue Editing, you'll be dropped into the editing view for that campaign. You should see a button or an option that says Edit Content. Click that and the MailerLite drag and drop editor will begin to load. This is the heart of building and customizing your emails. Give it just a moment to fully load and you'll start to see the current layout of your email. The drag and drop editor is incredibly intuitive. You can click on any element, move it around, or change its properties. Take a moment to review the layout and locate the specific block of text you want to modify. It might be a headline, a paragraph of body copy, or a button label. Once you've found it, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now click directly inside the text block that contains the font you want to change. You'll see that the text becomes editable and you can type or delete as needed. But to change the font itself, you need to highlight the specific text you want to modify. Click and drag your mouse over the words to select them. This tells MailerLite exactly which portion of your email you're targeting. If you want to change the font for the entire text block, simply select all the text within that block. Once you have it highlighted, pause for a moment and look for the editing toolbar or sidebar that appears. This toolbar contains all the formatting options, including bold, italic, alignment, and of course, font selection. A quick tip here, when choosing fonts, always aim for ones that are easy to read on both desktop and mobile devices. A fancy script font might look beautiful on a large screen but could become illegible on a phone, so balance style with readability. With your text still selected, shift your gaze to the right side of the screen. You'll see a panel that shows various editing settings. This is your control panel for everything related to the selected element. Look for a section or tab labeled Content Style. Click on it to expand the available text formatting options. This panel gives you fine control over things like font size, line height, letter spacing, and of course the font family itself. It's one of the most powerful parts of the MailerLite editor because it lets you apply consistent styling across your entire email without needing to know any code. Inside the Content Style panel, you'll see an option labeled Font. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you the available font options. MailerLite offers a solid selection of web-safe fonts and some more modern choices that are compatible with most email clients. Browse through the list. You'll see familiar names like Arial, Georgia, Times New Roman, and Trebuchet MS, along with some more unique options. As you hover over or click each font, the text you selected earlier will update in real time, giving you an instant preview of how it will look in your email. Take your time here, try out a few different fonts and see which one best matches your brand's voice and aesthetic. A clean, professional font can elevate your entire campaign, while a poorly chosen one can make even great content look unprofessional. Once you've found the font that works perfectly for your text, take one last look at the updated appearance. Make sure the font improves readability and fits well within the overall design of your email. If everything looks good, it's time to lock in your changes. Look for a Save button within the editor, usually in the top right corner. Click Save and wait just a moment for MailerLite to apply your changes. You'll typically see a brief confirmation or a subtle update in the editor window, letting you know your new font has been applied successfully. And that's it, you've just learned exactly how to change fonts in MailerLite. By customizing your typography, you can reinforce your brand identity, improve reader engagement, and create emails that truly stand out in a crowded inbox. A great next step is to go through your other campaigns and apply the same font settings so everything stays consistent across your entire marketing. If you ever need to revisit these steps, feel free to save this video or come back anytime. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.